Oh, hi, welcome to Tina's Kiwi Kitchen. Today we're doing pumpkin soup. So we're just going to scoop out the seeds, de-skin it and put it back in the pot, and I'll come back to you now at the next step. So I've lifted the pumpkin out. Pumpkin's sitting on my board. I'm going to de-skin it. I'm going to add some stock powder. That's 1 tablespoon. See, tablespoon. 2 tablespoons. I'm going to put 3 in because I like it chickeny. Just going to give that a quick whisk. And I've also got some frozen chicken stock I had from the Instant Pot last week, so I'm going to put that in as well. And see how I'm just scooping out the pumpkin, leaving the skin. I'll put it back in my pot, and I'll continue doing this until I've finished it all, and I'll come back to you. And when you get to this stage, you can just peel off the skin. It's so easy. And then just put it in your pot. I'm going to chop this onion. What I'm going to do is take the ends off. I'm going to use this new chopping machine I've got. I think it's called a nice dicer or something like that. I'm going to put it in half. It's the first time I'm using it, so hopefully it's good. Just de-skin the onion. Take off the ends. Put it in there. And it should instantly dice your onions, which it has. See? Little dices. And do the same to the other one. So what I'm going to do with this is I'm going to fry the onion, and we're going to cut up some bacon. We're going to fry onion and bacon together, so it's all nice. Go through. They go out the skin on, that's why I didn't go through. Makes so much quick work of it. I got it all fairly express. I think I've got the link on my Facebook page, and I'll put the link in the description as well. So bang, done. Fast as that. So I've got my Instant Pot just on warm, keeping my pumpkin warm till I am ready. Look at that, instant diced onion. Love it. what I've got is Hella's Streaky Smoky Bacon Harakiri, and I'm probably going to use most of this. I'm going to dice it up thinly. So I'll show you how I do for people that don't understand. Just bring my whiteboard over, which is my meat board. One side's meat. It's just easier to cut meat on these. Actually, I'm not going to use it all. I'm just going to take that much off. My sister-in-law's here, so I might cook her chunks of bacon for breakfast. And just going to thinly dice it, because it all gets mushed up anyway with the blender, stick blender, so you don't have to be fussy, just slice it. Just pause that. So I've just got the element on quite high. I'm just going to turn it down a bit. I'm going to put some butter in here, or you can use oil, whatever you want. I'm just going to use some butter because that's what I have. That's a bit much. Just going to add the bacon and the onions. I'm going to break it up. It will break up. I'm going to put my chopped onions in. So this is how I make my pumpkin soup. It just gives it such a beautiful smoky flavour. I don't know who gave me this recipe, but I've been using it for 20 odd years. Maybe I just made it up. I'm not sure. Can't remember. I might actually use that other stick of butter now. Everything tastes better with butter. See how it's breaking up a bit now. Once it's cooked a bit, I don't brown it, but you can do if you want to, because you want the bacon soft. You just want that smoky flavour. And the bacon cooked, and the onions cooked. Like, you want the onions to translucent stage. out there. It's on high. I've got my heat on high. You just want a wee bit of golden, not too much. Excuse that mess. The baking last night. I should have put her away. It's just starting to turn now at the bottom of the pan, so we're not far away. You can see the bottom of the pan there, starting to get that caramelisation on it. Yep. And you can see that. That's about where you want it. Excuse the steam. Yep, that's as far as I'm going to take it, so I'm going to turn the heat off. And we're just going to dump it in our pot. Punkin. And we're going to whiz it. Oh, how do you pause it? So now we're just going to, we'll put the bacon and onions in. We're just going to stick blend it. And that is your pumpkin soup done. So thank you for joining me today. And this is my favourite pumpkin soup. I'll just taste it. You know what? Needs another tablespoon or so of stock. So I'm going to add that. Always taste it. I'm going to add a pudding spoon. That's what it needs. I like it real chickeny. That's how we like it. I'll just taste it. I haven't added salt, remember, because you don't need it with the chicken stock. Perfect. So you just taste to what you like. Cooking is about experimenting. And it's got the beautiful smoky flavour of the bacon. Yeah, and I've just got my Instant Pot on warm. And I'll keep it on warm most of the day. So, yeah, I just keep warm. It only goes for 30 minutes, so I'll just keep redoing it. But thank you for joining me today. Bye.